Okay, now we're doing section 6.3, number 3, and we have to find the length of the curve represented by this equation from y equals 1 to y equals 3. So our first task is find the derivative of this, and we get y squared minus 1 over 4 y squared. Now our next task is to square this. And that's going to be y squared minus 1 over 4 y squared times y squared minus 1 over 4 y squared. And when you square that out, you'll get y to the 4th minus y squared times 4 over y squared. The y squareds divide out, and we get minus 1/4, and we do it again and get a negative minus 1, another negative minus 1/4, and plus 1 over 16y to the 4th. So then the length of our curve is going to be the integral from 1 to 3 of the square root of 1 plus y to the 4th minus 1/2 plus 1 over 16y to the 4th dy. And that equals the integral from 1 to 3, and 1 minus 1/2 is a plus 1/2. So we get y to the 4th plus 1/2 plus 1 over 16y to the 4th dy. Now this equals the integral from 1 to 3 of the square root of y squared minus or plus 1 over 4y squared squared dy. Well, the square root of that is 1 to 3 y squared plus 1 over 4 y squared dy. And when we integrate that, we get y cubed over 3 minus 1 over 4y, and we'll integrate that from 1 to 3. Okay, and evaluating for 3, we've got 3 cubed, which is 3 times 9 over 3. The 3's divide out, minus 1 over and 4 times 3 is 12, minus, now replacing y with 1, 1/3 minus 1/4, and that equals 9 minus 1/12. And when we add these up and put a negative sign in front of them, we get another negative 1/12. So that's going to be 9 minus 1 over 6, which equals 54 minus 1 over 6, which equals 53/6. And we're done.